jump on the trampoline when I'm at the park, and I can open my legs wide and do the splits in the air. I can slide when I'm on the swing thing, yeah. I can swing on the thing, yeah. I can do anything in the park. It's so fun. I can do gymnastics in the park. I can do yoga in the park. I do anything like gymnastics to do for my asthma and gymnastics. My father used to be a wrestler. When I was 2 years old, I started doing gymnastics. My mum felt very painful for me because she thought it would hurt her when she would do it. I can do anything with them. But it's just the park lets me do gymnastics. But when it's letting me do gymnastics, I get even more flexible. I get even more like my body's going even like more shaky. I get even flexible. I get very flexible. Like when I mean very flexible, like very, very flexible. I don't feel pain when I come home because when I was doing it, it doesn't hurt me. I was already flexible before, but I'm getting flexible so it doesn't even hurt more. It doesn't hurt at all. It's never gonna hurt me when I do gymnastics. When I come home, gymnastics make me eat good. Gymnastics make me sleep good. Gymnastics makes me sleep good. Gymnastics makes me whatever I do at school be good. Everything I do at school is good because of my gymnastics make me be good. It's all about my gymnastics being good. I do yoga with my sister when I get home from school. I do some little bit of dancing and gymnastics with Jonathan when I come back from school. I show my sisters and brother what I can do on my daddy's bed and my mommy's bed. I do some back handsprings. I can do a back flip. My brother's teaching me how to do a front flip. And my sister's teaching me how to do a front flip. So I'll get better at those stuff when I start getting used to it. I'm looking for my sponsor that can't help me for my talent. started to do gymnastics in Mum's belly. When I was 1, I started to do gymnastics, roly-polies. When I was 2, I done cartwheels like a little kid, like babies how they used to do. When I was 3, all I can do is baby cartwheels. When I was 4, I gave up. I said to my dad if I can start doing gymnastics. He said okay. When I was 5, I a little bit started to go to the splits and touch the floor. When I was 6, I had done the splits. My friend found out how I done gymnastics when we was doing gymnastics in school. It was actually called yoga, but I called it gymnastics. I done the splits correctly. My friend saw me. Her name was called Scarlett, and then she told Miss that I done gymnastics, instead of yoga. And then that's how all of my friends and my miss found out that I do gymnastics. My brother found out that I done gymnastics good when I started to point my legs more pointy. He said that I need to put them a little bit further so it can look excellent. My sister done yoga with me, and when she was doing it too, she pointed her legs, so I point my legs. My brother said that we're pointing legs good, so we can point them much further as we can. When my mum and dad found out that I was putting my legs, they told me to do a cartwheel good. So that's when I done it. And then my dad said I can do something else too. So that's when I done the other thing. They found out that I was doing gymnastics very goodly, so they decided to put me in a gymnastics class. And then I didn't need the gymnastics class now anymore because I was better than all the others. So one of the teachers said I need to go in a higher level.
My sister Eunice, she's like really athletic, and sometimes when she does gymnastics, literally I just open my mouth. She's on level 1 in gymnastics, and they said that we should move her and go to Stevenage, but we can't really afford that. But I still think she's really good at gymnastics, and yeah, when we do gymnastics with her, I just really enjoy it. Yeah, she's just really athletic and good. I really just like her. When my sister started doing gymnastics, I didn't believe it was her, and I never knew it was actually like gymnastics she was doing, because I just thought it was like a normal talent. It's just a normal thing that you do when you're like a child. But when she started growing up with it, I just started pushing her up and up and up, and now we do like yoga together, and it's just really cool seeing how she teaches me how to put my legs, my hands. It's basically like she's my coach. I just really like it. And my sister, she's only 6 years old, and I just can't believe she actually does these things, because she makes like my family and us just really popular. She's basically like the main one in our family. She stands out to the crowd, and nearly everybody likes her. Everywhere we go, people just start talking about her, saying that she's cute and all them stuff, and I really like it because like she's my sister, and people like my sister, so if they like my sister, they can like me too.
Basically, my sister's gymnastics is really a good talent to have in our family, and I appreciate her doing this gymnastic stuff. It really helps us out in our family. It gets us really high, and she's basically following my father's footsteps, and I really appreciate that. I hope that she continues doing this in the future, and really starts doing this tennis as I appreciate it. She starts doing this with my middle sister Rosa, and hopefully she starts learning the footsteps that my dad and my sister are doing. Eunice is doing some gymnastic in a club, a social club, which they really appreciate, and they're starting to like her. But they told us like she's too good there to move her to Stevenage, but we couldn't move them because it was too far, unfortunately. But my dad is basically her coach. My dad teaches her really good, so as he teaches her, we don't need a coach or anything. So like my sister, because when she does gymnastics, it kind of freaks everybody out, but it's kind of part of life, and we kind of appreciate it. It's kind of funny when everybody out of nowhere is like, oh, and basically kind of scared of her, which it looks to them like they're shocked, yeah. But it's a normal thing for us. But in our family, when we first saw her doing these things, well, we didn't appreciate it because that she's a girl and why is she moving so much like a boy. So my mom didn't really like it. But then when she started getting older and we saw that she started doing splits, that it wasn't just moving around, it was more like gymnastics, we found out that it was actually a normal talent that she was born with. So we basically got her into a club and continued. But sometimes, yeah, like she has asthma. We don't always do it like during the cold weather, but we try and do it all the time in our house. And she has like a merch, so we're basically building her up. She's also on Facebook and Instagram. Hopefully, we're gonna get her Snapchat and all that. And I'm trying to basically push her on towards. And Rosa, my sister, is basically helping her to get to the other level that she's needed to, and she's doing a really good job. So basically, what I wanna say to my sister Eunice is like, just continue doing what you're doing and continue to get more in life and hopefully continue this. If you don't want to do it, it's okay. You can always do something else in life because you're always good at everything. And I really like this because in our family, everyone really likes us, and basically sometimes my family tries to show us as well, which is a really good sport to have because sometimes when you do gymnastics, you can be flexible at anything, so you can be good at hide and seek. And sometimes you can do anything that you believe in, so it'll be a really good pressure to just have a good thing in life. And Eunice, when she does this, is unbelievable because people are bare shook, and basically it's kind of scary for us sometimes when she does some things like when she puts her face on the ground and it's cold. Like, I don't understand, but we find it kind of natural, but other people find it really not good. But when we tell them oh, it's a natural thing that she was born with, everyone's like, oh, okay. They start understanding us and start finding our family a bit more exciting than just an ordinary family with a boring life.